It's not Steamboat Willie. It's the girl version.
Not fucking Steamboat Willie.
Ah!
I want no girl toy. I'm a guy.
Why would I want a girl toy? I'm a guy. Why would they give me the girl toy, not the guy toy? I think she's missing a piece.
Missing her penis piece.
I think she's missing her penis. No, she's not. Hercules! Let's fucking go. Okay, I'm actually sorry. The music's just gone.
Music is gone.
Why they put a separate? Oh shit, Ethan's coming.
Fuck, he's coming. Shit, he's coming. He's coming.
Goddamn.
Oh my god, he's fucking here.
I got Hercules.
Huh? He's here.
I got Hercules. All right, end it now, and then I'll build it when we get to gauges, and then I'll. Fuck. You have to edit this part out. Me laughing.
Shut up. Making a video.
I got 2 swords. Choose was her.
All right.
Good job.
If you have an extra sword, he can't hold it because he has a shield, so you can actually just eat it. And there you go. Hercules, Hercules, honey, you mean Hercules?